friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve disabled accounts on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve disabled accounts on Roblox app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can click on first stop and you can click on OK here. Before that you can go to Roblox, then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here will enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. And in the end of all these steps you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.